Alright, so is the Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari 296 GTB racing wheel actually good, or is it just another flashy toy? If you're a casual gamer, or you're buying for a younger player, this wheel honestly delivers exactly what it promises. Simple, plug-and-play, arcade-style fun, with zero headaches. Let's get straight to how it works. The T98 skips fancy motors and instead uses a bungee cord system. That means you get some resistance and auto-centering, but it doesn't have the force feedback that makes you feel every bump, curb, or tire slip. For true sim racing fans, that's a deal breaker. But if you just want to race with friends or maybe get your kids into gaming, it's actually a fine pick. The rotation is 240 degrees, which is definitely better than a standard controller's 180, but it's nowhere near what hardcore sim wheels give you. Still, for games like Gran Turismo or Forza, it's enough to make things feel more immersive. There's even a Ferrari-inspired dial on the wheel that lets you flick between arcade, balanced, or realistic sensitivity without digging through menus. Surprisingly, the pedals are magnetic, so they use Hall effect sensors for great long-term accuracy. That means no pedal drift, even after months of use. Just be warned, the pedal base tends to slide around, especially on hardwood floors, or if you're really going for it. Build-wise, it's mostly plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's a scaled-down Ferrari 296 GTB replica that looks cool on your desk, and it's officially licensed, which is always a bonus. Getting started is a breeze. Just plug it into your PS5, PS4, or PC, and you're racing in seconds. But let's be honest, it's not perfect. No force feedback means you lose a lot of driving sensation. The bungee resistance can feel kind of floaty, and tight corners can get awkward fast since you'll hit the wheel's limit sooner than you'd like. Quick verdict. If you just want a fun, affordable upgrade from a standard controller, the T98 absolutely works as advertised. But if you want realism, save up for something like the Thrustmaster T128. Actual force feedback is 100% worth it.